I don't know.
The gates are going down.
I see the lights.
Whoa, it's coming from that way. It could be a heritage locomotive.
It could be.
Oh, it's not.
It's not.
Whoa.
It isn't.
It's only Norfolk Southern.
Well, the heritage units that we see are Norfolk Southern trains. Are you gonna wave? Oh, it's 4007. I think that's the first time we've seen 4007.
I've seen 4017 times.
We have? I don't know. I guess we've gotten lucky to see that train twice. Yeah. Was it not the lead engine the other time we saw 4007?
No, it was only a DPU.
Oh. I don't know. Yep. Bare tables. Yep. This train's a lot longer than the first one we saw, isn't it? Oh yeah, but it's still longer.
There goes the train. Where do you think that train is going?
I don't know.
And it came from the switcher.
It might have.
Because remember when we saw it, you went after that thing going that way?
Yeah, it was, wasn't it? Yep, and we saw it at the switcher.
It
All right.
means someone came from the switcher.
Well, it could have. Do you have anything to say? Truman? I'm gonna stop filming.
Bye, Mommy. I love you. Ooh. Bye, Mommy. Bye, bye, Mommy. Bye, 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 Mommy. I love you. Bye. I love you. I love you.
Okay. I'm gonna stop filming now.
Put on blue on my.
Do you drink Mountain Dew?
No.
But you like the hat? You do like Mountain Dew, though, the occasional few times I'll let you drink it, though, right?
Why do you let me drink it a few times?
Well, because you're not really supposed to drink Mountain Dew when you're a kid.
Daddy.
Don't touch my glasses. All right. That's enough. Bye.
You're supposed to put your